Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are good and fine with the best of the health and doing well and preparing well for exams. Before we get started, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all of you who are generously wanted me to make this video and wanted me to give lectures on different topics through online classes. I could not have done it without you. मैं इसको नहीं कर पाती आपके बगैर. मेरा आज का ये पर्पस जो है, इन टुडेज़ गैदरिंग आई वुड लाइक टू फोकस ऑन द टॉपिक समरी ऑफ द यूलिसेस बाय अल्फ्रेड लॉर्ड टेनिसन. You have all been chosen to be a part of my class due to mutual passion for learning. Your passion helped me all to unite, and the energy we create is what allows your passion helped me all to unite, and the energy we create is what allows us to achieve our individual as well as group goals. I need you as much as you need me, and that's why I'm grateful to have you. You can join me in my channel named Nalna's Choice by Nikhil. So let's start our summary. Please bring headphones of yours or anything you need to note down my notes. I'm going to read the summary of the Ulysses by Alfred Lord Tennyson. इसकी मैंने आपको सामने में आपको यूलिसेस की अल्फ्रेड लॉर्ड टेनिसन दिखा रही हूँ पोयम. इसकी मैंने नंबरिंग भी कर दी है और इसकी जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है वो भी मैंने हाईलाइट कर दी हैं, तो आप इसे देख पा रहे होंगे. तो मैं रीड करने जा रही हूँ, आप रेडी हो जाइए सुनने के लिए. This is the summary of the Ulysses, which is a part of syllabus for post graduation of the students and the universities of different universities. This is very useful in the writing of annotation and is very much helpful in analysis of this poem. It also helps in writing essays on Ulysses. I'm going to read the line-wise summary of the Ulysses. This is the summary of the Ulysses given in line-wise. This will help in understanding of the poem in detail, as it covers not only summary but also the different words of it. Summary for first to 5 lines, that is start from it little prophet that an idle king till that heard and sleep and feed and know not me. Explanation of the line number 1 till 5. Ulysses is the king of Ithaca. After great journey which includes war has come his own city. After great journey which include wars has come his own city. After his advent he tries to stay in his own kingdom. अपने ही किंगडम में रहना चाहता था, but the adventurous life he live in is contrary to the present life. In this kingdom he has to sit idle and stay with his wife Penelope. He is administering the pupil and judging them, but pupil do not know the Ulysses, as he is always on adventurous wars and voyage माने होता है journey. He thinks this life is waste when compared with the previous life. He also complains that the pupil are savage and they only eat and sleep. तो ये मेरी समरी मैंने आपको फर्स्ट टू 5 लाइन की बता दी है. और ये इसके बारे में और जानने के लिए, जैसे कि ये एक तो ब्लैंक वर्स पोएम है. ब्लैंक वर्स पोएम क्या होती है उसके लिए आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा, तो मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन करूँगी आपको. और ये आपकी फर्स्ट लाइन आइडल किंग जो है ये मेटाफर है, ठीक है. और स्टिल हार्ट क्या है? फायर. स्टिल हार्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? फायर प्लेस. ओके. सो इसमें बहुत सारे मेटाफर, सिमिली, एलिट्रेशन यूज़ हुए हैं, तो वो मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी. अभी फर्स्ट टू 5 की मैंने यहाँ पे समरी रीड की है, तो आप इसे समझ पाएँ. मेरी वॉइस क्लियर हो तो मुझे बताइएगा, कमेंट करके लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको 6 to 17 की वीडियो रीड करके बताऊंगी.